Alright, severe storms today continue through the night. Areas in the moderate risk: Fort Smith, Fayetteville, Springdale, Van Buren, and Ozark. Tornado threat 15% still. Hatched, Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Garland. Wind 45%. Fort Smith, Fayetteville, Russellville, Van Buren, Ozark. And 30% hatched, Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington. Enhanced risk 10% hatched for Memphis, Nashville, Huntsville, Clarksville, Tennessee, and Murfreesboro. 45% Nashville, Huntsville, Chattanooga, Murfreesboro, and Decatur. 15 Indianapolis, Memphis, Nashville, St. Louis, Missouri, and Louisville. So just be weather aware tonight and tomorrow if you're in these areas. And we'll check back when more severe weather comes.